of law and the rights of the people. This is how former Attorney General Ramesh Maharaj describes the Prime Minister's conduct should she refuse to furnish the President with answers on the premature proclamation of Section 34. President Richards, invoking Section 81 of the Constitution, made the request to Prasad Bisasa in a December 7, 2012 letter.
The senior counsel says if the Prime Minister does not comply with the request of the President in furnishing him with an adequate response, her conduct would amount to contempt of the Constitution and, by extension, the rights of the people. The former Attorney General ventilates his concerns on the matter in a media release issued today. In that statement, Maharaj adds that should the Prime Minister fail to accede to the request of the head of state, the public would be entitled to conclude that government has something to hide in its decision to select Section 34 for early proclamation. The former AG is also expressing concern that the Prime Minister and her cabinet to date have not told the country why it was decided by them to prematurely proclaim Section 34, where such serious allegations of misconduct against the Prime Minister, the AG and the cabinet have been made. And if Prasad Bisasa refuses to cooperate with the President to supply that information, Mr. Maharaj says such conduct also amounts to irresponsible governance by the Prime Minister. He goes on to say that the Section 81 request of the President to the PM is being made in the context in which large sections of the population, including the media, the trade union movement, non-governmental groups, civic-minded persons, and the opposition have alleged that there was serious misconduct by the Prime Minister, the Attorney General, and her cabinet in prematurely proclaiming the controversial law. The senior counsel says Section 81 of the Constitution of TNT imposes a mandatory duty on the PM to provide the information requested by the President. If she fails or refuses to comply with this request, Maharaj says the PM would be violating the oath of office she took before she was appointed in the esteemed position. Giselle McIntyre.